Welcome back to another tutorial video. For today, our topic is all about how you can fix the mouse cursor whenever it disappears while you're playing games. Let's start by opening your Windows on your computer and search for the mouse settings. Then open it. Now here, look for the related settings and then tap the additional mouse options. It will show here the mouse properties. Now go to the pointer options. Make sure that under the visibility, the display pointer trails is disabled or unchecked. Then tap apply when you're done. After that, go back to the settings of your computer. Now, tap the system settings. Then look for the display resolution. Make sure that your resolution is on recommended. After that, go to your desktop and right-click on the game app. Choose Properties on the pop-up menu. Then go to the compatibility and under the compatibility mode, put a check on the box and select what Windows you currently have. Tap apply below when you're done. It should now be able to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.